Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Ubuntu 24.10. Open Firefox or any browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here, the latest PostgreSQL 17 is released on 26 September 2024. Click on download, then click on Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here, once we selected Ubuntu, see these are the steps needs to be performed to install PostgreSQL 17 on Ubuntu 24.10. Okay, open terminal, show applications. Then run these commands one by one. Copy the first one, that is, it is going to install curl and CS certificates. Paste it, hit enter. Type Y and hit enter. Now install this Pgadmin. Paste it, hit enter. It's done. Control A. Next, import the repository signing key. Next, create the repository configuration file. Hit enter. Now update the packages, sudo apt, control A, sudo apt update. See, it is just notice, control L. Now the install PostgreSQL. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you want to install 16, you have to give version like this. If you want to install 17, give 17. Or if you want to install 15 version, give the 15. If you don't give any version, then it will install the latest version of the PostgreSQL server. Hit enter. Type Y, see, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Hit enter. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17. Let us verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service started and running. Q to quit. Control N. Now connect to PostgreSQL servers. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is PostgreSQL client version. So let us verify the version of the PostgreSQL server. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17. Okay, Control L. Now, first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So let us verify the list of the users by using \l. The commands that starts with \/ are called as meta commands. Enter. See, these are the databases. For users, we have to use the du. See, we have only one user, that is super user. So let us set the password for this super user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password for this user. We have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Now create a database. Create database R2 schools. Now verify list out databases. See, we have these databases. Now connect to this newly created database and create a table. You can use the \c or \connect. Both are same to switch the database from to other. Okay, hit enter. See, you are now connected to database R2 schools as user Postgres. Control L. Let us verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Control L, create table. Let us verify. See, we have one table that is in public schema. This is the name of the table and this is the owner. Okay. Let us insert some data into this table. This will throw error. I will show you the error and reason. Okay. See, this is the error. That is, duplicate key value violates unique key constraint. Why? Because here I have defined this sname column as primary key. So it won't allow duplicate values. So we have to give unique values for the column defined with primary key in a table. So give the unique value here. Hit enter. It is done. Now verify the data. Select star from student. See, we have inserted these three rows. Control L. See, if we run this star means it retrieved all the column values. But if you want only particular column values, we have to mention the column names from the table. Still, if you want to get only particular sname column, see, we got the particular column values. If you want to see the configuration file location, use the show config underscore file. If you want to find the HBA file in name and location, use the HBA. HBA means host based authentication. See, this is the file and this is the location. These both files are there in the same directory. Now create a user. Create user. Now verify list of users. See, new user is created. Let us connect to PostgreSQL with this new user. \q to quit. Now give PSQL -u. Username is James -h. Localhost -d. Provide any database name. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the user that we have given. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL with the user James. Let us verify the current logged in user. See, we have connected the user James. So now try to create a table in this database. Create table test. See, permission denied for the schema public, because this user doesn't have the permissions or privileges to create or update anything in this database. So for that we have to grant the privileges. You can search my channel to grant or revoke privileges to a user in PostgreSQL. Give to quit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Ubuntu Linux 24.10. Exit from this Postgres user also. Now run the command sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is stopped. Give to quit. Also verify by connecting to PostgreSQL. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL service is stopped. Now start it again. Exit from this user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL service is started 4 seconds ago. Last step is, let us see how to restart the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL services started 3 seconds ago. Quit. See, until now we have performed the actions with the PSQL client. That is the command line tool. But if you want to perform actions in GUI mode, we have to install Pgadmin for or DBeaver. Okay, I have made videos for both the applications. You can search for the same in my YouTube channel, and you can find how to install Pgadmin and DBeaver on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17 on Ubuntu 24.10 Linux operating system step by step. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.